Thank you for joining us today on our brief presentation of how to submit your loan to DU. From within our ADM system, search for and select your conforming loan for which you need to run DU. In this example, we are selecting the Loan Snapshot view. Once your loan has populated, click on the Loan Actions drop-down menu and scroll down until you see Submit to AU and then click on it. Step 1 presents you with a couple of options. In this section, select Fannie Mae. If you have already run Desktop Originator, please do not run DU also. Simply upload your DO findings to eDoc Manager with a copy of the credit report. And also please note, at this time, you will not be able to run Freddie Mac's LP through our systems. For LP, you must run it from your system first and then upload your findings to our eDoc Manager. If you do not have an LP account and wish to submit your loan with Freddie Mac, we will pull the borrower's credit report and run LP from our end. Step 2 will require no action from you as your credentials have automatically been set by A&D Mortgage. Step 3 will also require no actions from you for your initial loan submission to DU. On Step 4, you'll first select your credit agency from the drop-down list. Then click the box above it to manually enter your credentials. Enter your username and your password. Now some of you may only see one credit vendor from the drop-down list, which means you have our credentials set up to your company's account. Simply select that vendor and the credentials will auto-populate. In either case, be sure you are clicking on the authorization and copy and paste the credit report reference number into the appropriate field. Then submit your loan to DU. After a few moments, access eDoc Manager and click on the Findings folder to open and search for your findings, which will be under the Loan DU Response document. Clicking on the magnifying glass will open the DU findings for you. And one final note, A&D will only accept Fannie Mae loans that are approved eligible. And if you should ever need assistance, please feel free to reach out to your account executive or visit our website at admortgage.com, and from the pull-down menu, click on Support and Marketing and then Support. From here, you'll see our broker support email address and phone number. Thank you for joining us today and have a great day.